JAWS Professional happening now. Dr. Denise Robinson is inviting you to a video meeting. Denise.gmail.com.
Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here with another lesson on Google Meet. So this one, an invitation has been sent to me via my email. Let's see where I'm at.
Happening now. Dr. Denise Robinson is inviting you to a video meeting. Denise.gmail.com. Gmail, Google Chrome.
Okay.
Reply button to more button menu. Show detail. Join meeting link.
Okay, join meeting is a link, so I could have used insert F7 also. I just tabbed to it, so I'm hitting enter on it now.
Enter. Untitled Google Chrome. Alert. Microphone. 2 Microsoft registered live cam cinema TM04 alert. Speaker NVDA high definition audio connected meet. Alert. Camera. Microsoft registered live cam cinema TM045E0812 connected.
Okay, if you do not get those, make sure you do an Alt-A to your allow option. I'm going to very quickly tab around to my more options.
Meet KNMMXGF. Turn off microphone. Control D button to activate presenter. Your camera is on. Your microphone is on. Dr. Denise Robinson.
So turn off microphone. Control D. Keep that in mind.
Turn off camera. Control E button to activate presenter.
Turn off camera. Control E. I am going to turn off my camera right now with it, and I'm just going to hit spacebar because I'm on it.
Alert. Camera is off. Your camera is off.
Okay. I'm going to tab.
More options button menu. Press space to activate the menu. Then navigate space.
Spacebar.
Context menu to navigate. Press up or down it.
Okay. So you've got turn on captions. If you've got deaf blind, I'm going to down arrow to settings.
Settings 2 of 5.
I'm going to hit enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Dialog. The button to activate.
Okay. Just so you know, all your options are under here also. You've got microphone, you've got speakers, you've got audio, video, and general commands.
Tab. Audio tab selected. 1 of 3.
Okay, 1 of 3, so I'm going to right arrow.
Alert. Camera is off. Video tab selected. 2 of 3.
Okay. Once again, I could tab through. I've got camera is off right now because you heard me turn it off. And the resolution, I'm going to right arrow again to general.
General tab selected. 3 of 3.
Okay, no big deal.
Tab panel. Report additional diagnostics to
Nope.
open the button to activate presenter. Space. More options
Okay.
button menu. Press.
And now I'm going to tab to join.
Join now button to activate presenter. Space. Meet
Spacebar.
KNMMXGF.
Okay, there's my handsome husband. I turned off my camera, handsome husband. Okay, you are on video, so we're going to do a few things here so I can show people how to do this. I'm going to tab to present now.
Show everyone button collapsed to activate presenter.
So I'm up in my options right now where I could show everybody, and of course I want to show everybody because my handsome husband's on this.
Chat with everyone button collapsed
Okay,
to activate
chat with
presenter.
everyone is right there.
Pin yourself to your main screen button to show the title button to activate presenter. Space.
Okay,
Meeting details button menu. Press space to activate the menu. Then navigate with arrow.
I'm going to continue to tab.
Turn off microphone. Control D button. Leave call button to turn on camera. Control E. Turn on captions. Top present now button menu.
Okay,
Press
I'm going to hit spacebar to present now.
space expanded. Context menu to navigate. Press up or down arrow. A window 2 of 3.
Okay, so I could do a window, my entire screen, or a Chrome button. I'm going to go ahead and do a Chrome tab button.
A Chrome tab is for video and animation. 3 of 3.
Yep, and I'm going to go ahead and hit enter on that.
Enter. Leaving menus. Share a Chrome tab. Share a Chrome tab dialog. Cancel button to activate. Press space bar.
Okay, I'm going to tab into my list box.
Chrome tab list box. Meet KNMMXGFB to move to an item. Press the arrow keys.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and down arrow.
Chrome tab. Meet KNMMX happening now. Dr. Denise Robinson is inviting you to a video meeting. Denise.gmail.com. Gmail selected.
Let's go ahead and choose that. So I'm going to tab to share button.
Share audio checkbox checked. 1 of 3. The clear checkmark. Press space bar.
Yeah, I want to share my audio, make sure that it's actually has sound in it also.
Share button to activate. Press space bar.
And space bar.
Space happening now. Dr. Denise Robinson is inviting you to a video meeting. Denise.gmail.com. Gmail Google Chrome. Main region. List with 1 items. Join meeting link.
Okay, and I'm on join meeting link again. So let's go ahead and do an Alt-D. So you can move around and see what happens.
Alt-D happening now. Dr. Denise Robinson. Y-O-U-T.
Let's just turn in
U-T-B-C-O-M. Enter.
and wait till it loads.
www.youtube.com wants to show notifications dialog to navigate use tab. Share Google Chrome.
I'm going to go
YouTube.
ahead and control tab.
Meet KNMMXGFB desktop content. Share Google Chrome. Meet KNMMXGFB.
Okay, and now I'm moving around. I'm going to go ahead and tab.
You are presenting button menu. Press space to activate the menu. Then navigate with arrow keys.
Okay, and I can go ahead and hit space
Space
bar again.
expanded. Context menu to navigate. Press up or down arrow.
I'm going to Alt-D.
Alt-D. Leaving menus. Address and search box. And
Tab.
folder container. And share this tab instead button to
I'm going
activate.
to
Press
share this tab instead now.
space. Address and search bar. Edit. Meet Google.com. KNMMXGFB. Type in text. Control plus L.
Okay, and now I'm meeting here, so I'm going to continue to tab.
And folder container. And folder dialog. Sharing this tab to meet Google.com. Stop button to activate. Press space bar.
I could stop right now, but I'm just going to go ahead and tab around.
Menu. Stop presenting 1 of 1. To move through items. Press up or down arrow. Leaving menus. Pin Dr. Denise Robinson to your main screen. Button to activate. Press
I
enter.
could
Meet
do that
KNMM.
also.
Pin yourself to your main screen. Button to activate. Press enter.
Okay, continue to tab.
Remove this tile button to activate. Stop presenting button to activate presenter.
I could stop presenting right there also. Tab.
Send presentation audio checkbox checked. The clear checkmark. Press space bar.
Okay, so if I uncheck that, then you're not going to hear anything anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and Shift Tab.
Stop presenting button to activate presenter.
And I'm going to hit space bar to stop presenting.
Space.
And now I'm going to go ahead
show everyone. Chat with everyone button collapsed to activate presenter.
And my meeting.
MX remove tile button. Meeting detail. Turn off microphone. Control D. Leave call button to activate presenter.
So I tabbed around to my leave call button. I'm going to hit spacebar and it will leave my call.
Space. Meet KNMMXGFB. You left the meeting. Please rate the audio and video quality.
Okay, so you could go ahead and rate your quality.
Meet KNMMXGFB. Google Chrome. Rejoin button to activate.
Oh, I could rejoin. I just tabbed to rejoin it. So let's hit spacebar.
Space.
And I'm rejoining it.
Alert. Alert. Microphone. 2 Microsoft registered live cam cinema TM04 file alert.
Okay, and it's telling me I am connected.
Alert. Camera. Microsoft registered live cam cinema TM04.
I need to go ahead and tab to join now again.
Switch account. Turn off camera control. More options button. Join now button to activate presenter. Space. Meet KNMMXGFB. You have joined the call. There is.
Here I am again. Everything is activated. My microphone and my camera. And my camera's way down here. Here, I'll put it up here. Hey people! Hey people! It keeps falling down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tab around.
Pin yourself to your main screen button to activate presenter.
I could, but I don't need to.
Remove this tile button to activate
I'm
presenter.
not going to worry about that either.
Pin DR Denise Robinson to your main screen button to activate presenter.
I could do that also, but I don't have to.
Show everyone button collapsed to activate presenter.
Okay, and I don't have to do that either. I'm just going to tab around.
Chat with everyone button. Pin yourself to your main. Remove tile button. Meeting details button menu. Press space to activate the menu. Then navigate.
Let's go ahead and spacebar
Space.
that.
Meeting details dialog. Tab. Details tab selected. Use JAWS key Alt-M to move the controlled element.
Okay, so let's go ahead and right arrow.
No attachments tab selected. Use JAWS key Alt-M to move the controlled element. 2 of 2.
Okay, so Alt plus M, I could move to my controlled element, but I don't have to worry about that. I just want to show you how to move around right now. I'm going to go ahead and left arrow.
Details tab selected. Use JAWS key Alt-M to move the.
Okay, let's say I'm going to tab to copy joining info.
Tab panel. Copy joining info button to activate press enter.
I can hit enter on that.
Enter. Copied meeting link.
And I've copied meeting link. I could actually Alt tab to my email right now and paste that in and have somebody else join if I wanted to. I'm going to hit
Escape meeting
out of
details
there.
button menu. Press.
I'm going to continue to tab.
Turn off microphone. Control D button to activate press enter.
I could just Control D and turn that off. I'm not going to.
Leave call button to activate press enter.
Okay, and there is my leave call button. I think we've gone through the most important aspects right there, so I'm going to go ahead and leave call. Bye.
Space meet KNMMXGFB. You left the.
And thank you. And that's how you do Google Meet.